Welcome back, everyone. Let's talk about the effects of drinking one glass of milk daily. Ever heard that a glass of milk can serve as a complete meal? It actually contains all 9 essential nutrients, making it completely nutritious. Our mothers and grandmothers had it right when they insisted on a daily glass of milk. If you generally drink coffee, you might want to consider replacing it with good old milk. How does milk benefit our bodies? Some of the benefits include aiding in weight loss and enhancing bone health. But hang tight, we'll dive into those details shortly. It is excellent for bone health. Milk is well known for its role in maintaining strong bones. It is rich in calcium, which is essential for bone growth and development. 99% of the body's calcium is stored in our bones and teeth. Milk contains other vital nutrients, such as phosphorus, protein, potassium, and vitamin K2. It is also a superb source of magnesium and vitamin D. All these nutrients work together to promote healthy bone maintenance. Research has shown a correlation between milk and dairy intake and a decreased likelihood of osteoporosis and fractures, particularly in older adults. Interestingly, protein, a major component of milk, constitutes about 50% of bone volume and 1/3 of bone mass. Number 2, aids in weight loss. If you're fighting with your weight, milk might be a useful ally. Its composition includes different elements that can aid in weight loss and help prevent weight gain. One influential factor is its high protein content, which helps you feel filled for longer, potentially lowering the chances of overeating. Additionally, milk contains conjugated linoleic acid, which has been researched for its role in stimulating fat breakdown while inhibiting fat production. Multiple studies suggest that diets high in calcium correlate with a lower risk of obesity. People who consume more dietary calcium tend to have a lower likelihood of being overweight or obese. Therefore, integrating whole milk into your diet could assist you in losing some extra pounds. Number 3, supports muscle growth. Milk is also highly beneficial for muscle development, primarily due to its protein content. It includes all 9 essential amino acids, including branched-chain amino acids, which are particularly useful in building muscle, preventing muscle loss, and providing energy during exercise. Regularly drinking milk can lower the risk of muscle loss as we age. A higher intake of milk and dairy products has been connected with increased overall muscle mass and improved physical performance in older adults. Consuming milk after a workout can facilitate recovery, repair muscles, and reduce muscle soreness. Number 4, benefits dental health. Moreover, drinking milk is healthy for dental health. Most calcium in our bodies is stored in teeth and bones, and milk is vital for strengthening teeth and preventing damage. Proof signifies that having a glass of milk daily can ward off cavities and tooth decay. It's crucial to consume milk fortified with vitamin D, since calcium needs vitamin D for absorption. Milk and dairy products provide not just calcium and phosphorus, but also casein protein, which forms a protective layer on tooth enamel, protecting against decay caused by bacteria. Number 5, provides more nutrition with fewer calories. If calorie counting is a part of your daily routine, you can relax when it comes to milk. It's a great source of protein that enables you to stay healthy and thin while providing fewer calories. Milk also offers vitamins and minerals like magnesium, vitamin A, zinc, thiamine, calcium, vitamin D, B12, and potassium, which are often lacking in many diets. The nutritional content can differ. Grass-fed cow's milk typically has higher antioxidant levels and greater amounts of conjugated linoleic acid and omega-3 fatty acids, both related with various health benefits. Number 6, it helps prevent diseases. Drinking milk regularly can play an important role in preventing disease. In addition to maintaining strong bones and teeth, calcium is vital for heart function, helping in efficient muscle contractions. Taking a glass of milk daily may lower the risk of serious health issues like strokes and high blood pressure. This connection between milk consumption and stable blood pressure can be attributed to 3 key minerals found in milk: calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Lactose present in milk aids in decreasing the production of harmful cholesterol in the liver, which can improve your eyesight and strengthen your body's defense against various cancers. Milk also aids in appetite control, thereby lowering the likelihood of obesity. Overall, milk is a remarkable supporter in disease prevention, so don't dismiss its benefits too impatiently. It alleviates heartburn. Heartburn has become increasingly common due to the majority of spicy and acid-rich foods that lead to stomach discomfort. A glass of milk can provide relief. Its cooling effect and thick texture help to coat the esophagus and stomach lining, effectively combating heartburn symptoms. It also supports the aging process. As women age, they often experience a noticeable decline in metabolic rate and bone strength, which raises their risk of osteoporosis. Drinking milk daily, which is rich in calcium and vitamin D, can significantly enhance bone mineralization. Studies suggest that women should incorporate milk into their diets to help maintain robust skeletal structures and combat age-related muscle loss known as sarcopenia. Although it's crucial to focus on milk consumption before the age of 30 for optimal bone mass development, continuing to drink milk can help sustain bone density and muscle strength as one ages. There is a need for understanding lactose intolerance. While many people enjoy drinking milk without issues, others cannot digest it, a condition affecting around 65% of the global population. Some individuals avoid milk for health reasons, dietary restrictions, or ethical beliefs. Luckily, there are several non-dairy alternatives available, along with lactose-free milk options that provide similar nutritional benefits. We have some non-dairy milk alternatives: 1. Almond milk, a plant-based alternative with lower calories and fat compared to cow's milk made from almonds. 2. Soy milk. Derived from soybeans, it offers a protein content comparable to cow's milk and has a mild taste. 3. Cashew milk. This lactose-free option is made from whole cashews and water, delivering a subtly sweet, rich flavor. 4. Coconut milk. A creamy tropical beverage made from coconut flesh and water, known for its mild flavor. 5. Rice milk. Ideal for those with allergies or sensitivities, since it is the least allergenic of the non-dairy choices. 6. Oat milk. Known for its very mild flavor, oat milk complements hot beverages and cereals well. 7. Hemp milk. Made from whole hemp seeds, it features an earthy, nutty flavor. When selecting a non-dairy milk substitute, keep in mind that many products contain additives like artificial flavors, preservatives, and thickeners. It's advisable to opt for brands with minimal ingredients and read labels carefully to find what best fits your dietary needs. Choosing less sweetened options can also help limit added sugars in your diet. So, what do you think about the idea of drinking milk every day? Is it something you find appealing or not? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up for more fascinating insights about the human body. Additionally, check out the 2 videos linked here that are sure to help you with your health goals.